Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a mic to the Insta360 Go Ultra. So I recently got the Insta360 Go Ultra, and one of the main things that I wanted to do was to be able to connect a mic to it just so that the audio quality was better. So in order to go ahead and connect the mic, we're going to go ahead and press this power button on the side, and it's going to go ahead and turn on. So once it's turned on, you want to go ahead and swipe down, and then you're going to enter this menu right over here. You're going to swipe right. And then where it says accessories, you're going to click on accessories. So let's go ahead and grab our Bluetooth device. So we have a Bluetooth mic over here from DJI. So DJI Mic Mini. We're going to go ahead and click on add Bluetooth accessories. And on your mic, go ahead and turn it on to Bluetooth pairing mode. As you can see, my DJI Mic Mini is blinking blue on the side. We're just going to click on this Bluetooth icon. Then we're going to go ahead and click on it and then click on connect. So give it a couple of seconds to go ahead and connect. You can see that it's currently loading and you should see a confirmation that the microphone has been connected. Now, even though you see that confirmation, you're also going to be able to see that once you go ahead and start talking on your mic here, so hello, 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 you'll see that I have an audio meter right over here. That wasn't there before, but this audio meter indicates that you're going to be able to go ahead and have your mic connected to your Insta360 Go Ultra. So with this mic, you should see an audio meter and that confirms that the mic has been connected, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect a mic to the Insta360 Go Ultra. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next video.